What's going on, you guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I want to talk with you guys today about achieving goals, and particularly like the big, hairy, audacious goals that we have, the big, scary ones. You know, maybe that's like in sales. You're at the very beginning of the year and you're at $0 in revenue and you're trying to hit $1 million by the end of the year. Or maybe it's, you know, you're trying to get in shape and you have a fitness goal and you have 30 pounds to lose, and that seems like forever away, like, oh my gosh, it's going to take forever. So how do we attack those goals, and what's a way that we can make them more manageable and ensure that we actually reach them while also avoiding the plaguing overwhelm of it seeming like it's going to take forever to actually achieve? Every single thing that you want to achieve in life can only be done one day at a time. Success is reached one day at a time. So instead of looking at it like, oh my gosh, I have to sell $1 million this year, when you break down exactly what that means as an action plan for every day for the next 365 days, your $1 million a year is won today if you just do what you need to do today. So maybe that means every day you're trying to do you have to knock at least 20 doors a day, 5 days a week, and you want to get at least 2 inspections done every day for 5 days a week. And today you get those 20 doors, you do your 2 inspections, you've won the day. Your $1 million for the year is on track because you did that today. So then it's just one bite at a time. You know, what do they say? What's the fastest way to eat an elephant? It's one bite at a time. The 30 pounds of fat you want to lose is won today. You've lost that 30 pounds today. If today you stuck to your fitness routine and you stuck to your diet plan. Because if you just keep repeating and winning those days, you know, Aubrey Marcus has a book called Win the Day. But if you win each day, all you have to worry about is that day. Did I do the exercise I was supposed to do today? Did I eat what I was supposed to eat today? Did I knock the amount of doors I was supposed to today? Did I do the number of appointments I was supposed to do today? Right? So win each day, and in doing these tiny little incremental commitments, you will inevitably hit your goal. So this takes a little bit of planning, right? I recommend not going into things blind. Well, I'm just going to sell as much as I can. You know, what happens when we get on the treadmill and we say, well, I'm just going to run for as long as I can until I can't do it anymore? We usually underperform. But if we set a goal and we go, okay, I have to run 2 miles, you're almost guaranteed to hit that 2 miles, right? Because you made a commitment. So break down your goal. What do I have to do each day? What are the action steps that are going to lead me? If I follow through on this for the next 365 days, I will end up at this goal or this result, and then just win each day. It's super easy. And now you're not stressing yourself either. Like when you get what you're supposed to have done, it's done. Go home, watch Netflix, chill out. Don't worry about it. So that's what I recommend you guys do today. And this stupid truck is going to kill me. Stop doing whatever you're doing, sir. Sorry about that. But that is how you win. So break it down, make it easy, attack it day by day, and I promise you'll get there. As always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out roofsalesmastery.com for my programs if you're a roof salesman or business owner. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.